Morning, So Special ladies and gentlemen. This is Mike with So Special Quilts. Today we are going to talk about what not to remove when you are messing with your bobbin case or in a rotary hook. Right here to the left, we've got two inner rotary hooks. These little guys here are called thread piles. Do not remove those. Those are very necessary for the function of the sewing machine. Basically, it keeps tension on your thread as it's going, and if you remove those, it's going to be bad news for your tensions. Moving on to the next little guy here, this is a 9mm Bernina bobbin case, and if you'll see here, let me see if I can bring it up to the camera, there's a little spring that's inside. It's called a C-spring. I removed one here. You can remove these, but if you do, notice there's three little feet that have to be, or actually there's 4 feet, that have to be placed correctly in the case itself. Otherwise, your tensions are going to be off. So it's important to orient those, and if you're unsure, don't remove it. It's better to be safe than sorry. These little guys here for the 5.5mm don't have a little spring in here, which is great. Really, honestly, these are pretty easy to deal with when you clean them. A Q-tip works great. You don't have to really remove anything. I don't recommend you messing with the little door here, so those are pretty straightforward. Moving on here to the right, we've got 7 series bobbin cases. This is what they look like. See, there also has a little C-spring just like these other ones do. You can also remove those, but be careful. There is a spring that is right inside. Do not remove that spring. There we go. Yeah, don't remove that spring because that can damage your bobbin case. And for the last thing, this is a hook for the 7 series as well. Trying to get that oriented. If you see, there are 2 little white pads. That's where the oil goes into. A lot of people think that there's fuzz or lint cotton here. It's not. It's actually there to hold on to that oil. So that's pretty much it for today's Tech Tuesday. Again, if you're comfortable with it, great, you can clean it. If not, I would recommend not messing with those things. All right, have a good day.